the Abib Ideal Collagen Eye Care Kit. These collagen eye patches stood out for me for a few reasons, okay? The first one is the textured gel. These, they stayed put, and what I like to do on these is actually put them in the fridge and chill them, and that is a little added bonus. I did like the depuffiness, and I liked the brightness. These do have caffeine in them, which actually does help. Let's look at the collagen eye cream. All good ingredients. They have the Jericho rose extract and the vegan collagen. This combined delivers real moisture. Look at that. I love the tube on this, or the applicator. Pure luxury. It's just very nice. Delivers real moisture and not just that temporary gloss, fake little look. These patches, I like them. You can also use these. This is like pretty funny. You can use these on your smile lines, your forehead, or your neck. Just a thought. This kit is very versatile. It's just not one and done, okay? This kit is a polished, high-performance beauty care kit that should earn a spot in a routine. But if your eyes look tired or you feel tired, this is the perfect kit for a little pick-me-up. I highly recommend this Abib Ideal Collagen. The opinions in this review are mine based on my real use of the product. The product was provided by the brand for testing.